I love sous vide cooking. It makes so many things so much more tender, speeds up infusions, and most importantly stops you from screwing up on your cooking, saving you money on expensive foods and tenderizing really cheap foods. But the problem is the work and the cook times. They can take hours or days. All that work for one meal seems wasteful. So I wanted to do an experiment. Can I bulk cook sous vide? A couple months ago I made this pork shoulder by coating it in a Memphis rub and cooking it at 145 degrees Fahrenheit and then freezing it. I defrosted it overnight, added more Memphis rub, and brought it out to the smoker. Unfortunately, it didn't defrost too well overnight, so it took about 3 hours to develop a good crust on it and an internal temp of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I was aiming for 200, but I had guests to entertain. It was a bit of a long cook, but pork shoulder usually takes about 10 hours or more to make on a smoker. Now time to cut it open. It came out evenly cooked on the inside as I expected because the sous vide process mostly cooks the interior of the food. The process doesn't really do much with the crispy outer layer of the food. So yes, you can cook several pork shoulders sous vide ahead of time, provided you got a big enough tank, and defrost it to cook whenever you got the time. You have to think of the cooking process and the crisping of the food process as two separate things.